How is everyone doing? Welcome to another beautiful day to make another recipe. For today I'm making pasta as well. This time I'm choosing spaghetti, and I have myself some steaming hot water right here on my cooking range, which I'm going to add my spaghetti, some salt and some cooking oil to it. I'm going to let that cook for about 7 to 10 minutes, after which I'm going to take it off the cooking range and drain off. Don't forget to sprinkle some cooking oil on the spaghetti so that it doesn't stick, followed by starting off the cooking by adding some cooking oil. I'm going to add my garlic, followed up by some onions. I'm going to cover this and let it sweat off just to bring out the aroma of the onions. This is going to be followed up by adding my minced beef. This minced beef or ground beef, depending on where you come from. We're going to let it also cook for a couple of minutes, after which I'm going to add in my finely chopped green capsicum, after which I'm going to follow up with some tomato paste, which you can find in your local store. I've also added some cilantro, finely chopped. I'm going to add some little liquid to that dish, let it cook for a few minutes, after which I'm going to add some tomato puree. For the tomato puree, you can always get one in your local store, or you can always prepare homemade. I'll make a video for that. After which I'm going to follow up the dish by adding my spaghetti. As you can see, it's not stuck together because I sprinkled some cooking oil. I'm going to give this a good mix. Then I'm going to plate it. You can have this with anything you want. For me, I chose to have some chicken frank sausages, so that's what you're seeing on my video. And I hope you do try out the video. Do leave a like, comment, and I'll see you on my next video.